Welcome to our channel. Today, we're taking on a fantastic project, creating an educational game using Java. Whether you're a beginner or looking to enhance your skills, this tutorial is designed for you. In this tutorial, we will build a simple quiz game. The game will present multiple choice questions, assess the player's answers, and provide a final score. Let's dive right in. First, ensure you have Java Development Kit, JDK, installed on your machine. You can download the latest version from the official Oracle website. I'll wait for you to install it. Ready? Let's move on. Now, let's start by creating a new Java project. You can use your favorite IDE, such as IntelliJ IDEA or Eclipse. I will be using IntelliJ IDEA. Open it and create a new project named Educational Game. Make sure to choose the JDK you've installed. Let's create a package for our game. Right-click on the SRC folder, select New, then Package, and name it Game. Inside this package, we'll create our main class titled Quiz Game. In the main method, we'll set up a simple console output to welcome our players. Let's do that now. So far, our Quiz Game class looks like this. Let's write it all together. Next, we need a way to store the questions and answers. Let's create a new class called Question. This class will contain fields for the question text, the possible answers, and the correct answer. The constructor initializes the question text, options, and the index of the correct answer. Let's add getters for these fields and a toString method for easy display. So now we have our question class ready. Let's summarize its code. Let's integrate our question class into the quiz game. We need an array or a list to hold multiple questions. For simplicity, we will use an array of question objects. Now, let's populate this array with some sample questions. You can modify these as you please. Here's what the main class looks like after adding the questions. Let's write it all together now. Next, let's create a method to display each question to the user. We'll also prompt them for their answer. We will use the scanner class for user input. Let's also check if the user's response is correct. We'll modify the askQuestion method to return a Boolean indicating whether the answer is correct. Let's add the askQuestion method to the main method. We'll loop through our questions and keep track of the score. With this, we've completed our quiz game's core logic. Let's summarize our quiz game class with everything we've implemented so far. Now, let's improve our game a little. We can add a feature to play again after finishing the quiz. We'll ask the user if they want to play again. For this, we need to wrap our game logic in a loop. Here's the updated main method with the Play Again feature. Take a look at how we integrated that into our existing code. We've implemented a Play Again feature. This allows users to continue playing without restarting the program. It's a great way to keep players engaged. Now let's summarize our complete quiz game class with the Play Again feature. Great job! We have now created a fully functional educational quiz game. But before we wrap up, let's make our game even better. We can add a countdown timer for each question to increase excitement. In this modification, we added a countdown from 10 seconds for each question. If the time runs out, the user automatically receives a wrong answer. It adds a challenge to our game. Let's summarize the updated askQuestion method. That's it. You can now play your game. Customize it with different questions. Think about extending it with categories or multiplayer options. The possibilities are endless. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this tutorial, please give us a thumbs up and subscribe for more Java programming tutorials. Leave any questions or suggestions in the comments below. Keep coding.